Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mohammad Asif, and today in this video we are going to talk about the travel guidelines after the hair transplant. This video will mainly cover if you are coming from some other country or state and how you can fly back and travel back to your native country. So let's discuss about how to plan your hair transplantation. So if you are coming from some other countries, I recommend you to have at least a month or 2 months prior appointment. You can schedule it depending on the surgeon's availability and the clinic timings. And the second factor is how many sessions are required to cover the entire baldness. And the third factor is how many hours will be consumed during the hair transplant process. And the fourth factor, how much is the recovery time and when can you fly back to your own country. So all these four parameters should be thoroughly discussed with your clinic in detail. So let's discuss about the hair transplant process. As you are coming from some other country, we recommend you to have a blood test done at least a day prior to your visit. You can also get your blood test done in your country where you are going for the hair transplantation. But yes, you have to reach at least a day or two prior to your hair transplantation. Now, on the day of your examination, it will be calculated how many number of sessions are required, how much of the hours are going to be consumed in your surgery, and also what could be the recovery period. It depends on case to case. Recovery period may vary from 24 hours to 48 hours in most of the cases. And after the 44 or 48 hours of your hair transplantation, you can travel back to your country in majority of the cases. Now discuss about what to expect on the day of hair transplantation. So once the hair transplantation process is over, you are physically fit and there is no dizziness, no any discomfort after the hair transplant procedure. So you can travel back by your cab or you can ask for any assistance. In our clinic, we also provide some assistance. They will drop you to your hotel or room if required. So let's discuss about some aftercare related to the hair transplant surgery. So the first thing is when you're going back to your home or your hotel after the surgery, you will be booking a cab. And we request you when exiting or entering into the car, you should avoid bumping your head. Undue damage to the scalp or undue damage or friction to the scalp can damage the hair grafts and plug them out. Secondly, you must sleep in a reclining position for first few days after the hair transplant and using a soft pillow for the head support. Third, if you are planning to travel the same day or the next day after the hair transplant, we recommend you to book a comfortable flight. You can wear a loose bandana or a loose fitted cap while traveling. Also, you can utilize a neck rest for the support of your head. And if you are planning to travel by road or by train, we recommend you to wait for at least 48 hours because during this period, your hair grafts are fragile and a minimal trauma to the scalp or friction can dislodge the hair graft. Fourth, you must ensure that you have all the required medication of your post-care with you when you're traveling back to your country, like some antibiotics, some supplements, or antacid will be required for the proper recovery after the hair transplant. Lastly, the first proper head wash. We recommend you to do the first head wash after 10 days of your hair transplant. The process is very easy and you can get it done by yourself at your home. Now, if you're staying in the country itself for first 10 days, we recommend you to visit clinic and we can do it here for you as well. So this is all about the traveling guidelines, and if you have some questions related to the travel and how to schedule your surgery in different countries, you can speak with us at any time. You can leave your comment in our comment section. Stay tuned and keep watching us. Thank you so much.